First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa failed to attend the United Nations Conference on Women's Rights this week after what has been described as visa complications. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. President Emmerson Mnangagwa's wife had been due to speak at a side event on 18th March, but her daughter-in-law, Leah Travis Mnangagwa, married to Emmerson Jr., read her speech instead. Leah is a director at the First Lady's Angel of Hope Foundation. The United States earlier this month imposed an asset freeze and travel ban on President Mnangagwa and his wife under the Global Magnitsky program, accusing them of corruption and human rights abuses. But foreign leaders and their spouses subject to US sanctions are generally allowed to travel to the United Nations headquarters in New York, which is considered international territory, although they may be subject to restrictions and monitoring. This is today's news about Auxilia Mnangagwa missing United Nations Women's Conference over visa complications. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.